Everybody look any. Any my deacons go southeast side.
Shipper.
Shaper. Everybody look east, northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast choke. Okay, come back. Heal the front. Come back. Recall, we play near mage. We play near mage.
Yo, Shadow Party.
Color
Follow
coming.
Follow ground.
Come
Shadow
near mage.
They missed.
Everybody look east now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East choke. Good job. Finish the kill. Spread out. Shaper. Spread air. Recall, we play near mage, okay?
Ready, Perma.
Look shallow. Choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow choke. Kill the collar. Not enough, man. DPS regen and come fast and spread out.
You're 1 second fast.
Spread out on the north, spread on the west. Didn't go east. You heal by east. Don't let my tank die.
Ready, Perma.
Regen fast, boys. We can win. Everybody inside. 5, 4,
Seconds.
3, 2, 1. Hit me. Inside. Need more damage, boys. Nobody's stopping you. What the fuck? Kill this. Finish the guy. Low. Okay, walk back to Terry. Walk back to Terry. Look east now.
No, Perma.
East.
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East on me. Finish him. Okay, he cleared it. Come back to Terry. Nice kidnap, bro. Good job, Creed. Good job. Holy fuck, good job. Come back. The collar looking. Hold on. The collar looking. I'm a collar with skull.
Perma, long cooldown.
Yeah. Just wait, Shadow.
No cooldown.
Tell me cool down. Collar looking.
5
Shall.
seconds.
Everyone look east. Shaper. Look east. DPS. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. DPS now. Good job, my boy. Come back, bro. 1 HP cleric, bro. Fuck. Come back. Drop duty. Ready. We good. The heal. Bro, you won't die. Just heal the front. Everybody, we're gonna counter east. I need. Strong hit. If you can hit east, strong hit southeast. They're broken. Everyone look southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast choke now. Go back to Terry. Giga.
Any hit? Hey.
Bro, why so many people died there? Fuck. Everybody look.
Shadow.
Look east. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow crown. And defend. I'm gonna die, bro.
Block going to Fergate. Shadow.
Hill front. Come back to mage. We play near mage. Come back to mage. Everyone, yeah. There's fucking zombie regaining, bro.
Long cooldown, Perma. 10 seconds.
2 seconds, right?
Look east. 5, 4,
I don't have cooldown.
hit the front thing. So defend be ready. Go near mage. Go straight southwest. Heal. Kidnap anybody who comes near mage. Anyone who comes near mage. Don't let him go, okay? Look east now. Come, walk south and look east. East. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. And defend and Giga. Oh my god, sorry.
You get
Yeah.
Bro, they are regaining so far.
Recall. We no damage. Just kidnap the guys near the mage and try to fight. Heal alive. Don't abandon the life. Look east. Everybody, whatever you have. East 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now.
Yes, I forgot to step on Black Pearl hideout.
Monkey Pavi. Your care defense, shallow north. Heal. Kill our lives. We try to survive. We try to survive. Care. Everybody, bomb coming. Everyone
Lock
look
and
southeast. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Anything? We keep holding it. Our allies are coming. Our flag is coming. Don't let them run. We die. We're gonna die fighting these motherfuckers. Keep holding them. Our handle is coming. Just keep holding them, boys. Don't let this fucking dog take our turn. Everybody look northeast now. 5, 4. Yo, they run. Don't let them mount. Okay, don't let them mount. Don't let them mount. Yo, hold them. Don't let them mount. Don't let this dog mount. Flag is here. Don't let this dog mount. Yo, move away from Terry. Flag is here. Move away. Go near mage. Flag gonna fuck you up. Don't hit flag. Flag is here to help. Do not kill flag. Come back to mage. Nice. Good job, boys. Oh my god, bro. Nice. Come back to Terry. Loot. Good job, boys.
Loot everything.
Holy fuck. Holding against zombies, man. Care. Come back to Terry, bro. Flag is there.
My party bro. It is southwest from Chaz. Southwest, yeah. Both of you. Whoever.
Good job. Come back. Rieger, come to Verge. We have to take castle. Rieger, come to Verge. Yeah, we go depot.
Depot in the den.
Kinko, we go castle next. Yo,
Depot
listen. We go back depot. We go to Bog and depot.
Clear the lancers in chess if you are coming from both.
2 minutes. Wait 2 minutes. We're gonna go back. Rieger.
Yeah, I'm in Bog now.
Recall. We go bank Bog and then take castle. Don't come. Don't send.